It's time to spice up your holiday with this Cajun Turkey classic. Welcome to Fire Eats and Treats. My name is Damon, and today we'll be recreating the mouth-watering Popeyes Cajun Turkey. Ooh, ooh, ooh. If you wait too long, these turkeys are hard to get a hold of and a bit on the expensive side. But if you ever got your hands on one, you already know it's fire. But can we make a comparable dish for a fraction of the price? We're about to find out, so let's go.
First, completely thaw your turkey by allowing it to defrost in the refrigerator. Thawing the turkey is essential for food safety and ensures even flavor distribution when brining. Now let's create a brine for our turkey. Start by pouring 8 cups of water into a large pot. Then add 1 cup of kosher salt, a ½ cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce, red pepper flakes, white pepper, black peppercorns, 6 smashed garlic cloves, 1 yellow onion cut into quarters, and finally 1 teaspoon of citric acid. Now give it a mix. Ingredients and exact amounts can be found in the description below this video. Now over high heat, bring the brine to a boil. Continue cooking while stirring occasionally until the salt dissolves and the mixture becomes fragrant. This should take about 10 minutes. Then take the brine off the heat, allowing it to cool down. Add ice to lower the temperature more quickly. Your brine must be completely cooled before it is safe to use. While the brine is cooling, let's prepare our turkey. First, make sure your turkey is fully thawed. Then remove the neck and giblets from the cavity and pluck out any remaining feathers and cut away any loose skin. Next, line a large pot with the brining bag and place the turkey inside the bag. Once the brine has completely cooled, add the mixture to the bag, ensuring the turkey is fully submerged in the brine. You could add more water to your brine if necessary. Now tightly secure the bag and refrigerate for at least 24 hours, and your turkey will soak up all those Cajun flavors. Now let's make our Cajun seasoning. In a separate bowl, combine salt, garlic powder, onion powder, rubbed sage, black pepper, brown sugar, smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, and MSG. Popeyes uses MSG in their seasoning, but if you don't want it, you don't have to use it. It's still gonna be fire. It's time for the turkey. After your turkey has brined overnight, rinse it off under cool water and pat the turkey dry with paper towels. It's important to rinse the turkey before adding the seasoning so that it's not too salty. Now preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Then generously coat the turkey with your Cajun rub. Make sure to season the entire surface, inside and out, including the cavity. Popeye says their turkeys are hand rubbed, so we'll rub our seasoning in as well. Once the turkey is well seasoned, place it on a roasting rack inside a roasting pan and insert a meat thermometer into the thickest part of the breast. Cover, then roast the turkey until the internal temperature reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit. After that, roast uncovered until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, basting the turkey in its juices every 30 minutes. After slow roasting, Popeyes flash fries their turkeys, but we'll change it up and finish ours on the air fryer. Preheat your air fryer to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Then carefully add the turkey and cook until the skin is crispy golden brown. If you aren't able to finish the turkey in the air fryer, no worries, you can finish it off in the oven. Just turn the heat up to 375 degrees Fahrenheit during the last 30 minutes of cooking. When fully cooked, let it rest for 30 minutes before carving. This allows the juices to redistribute within the meat and makes carving easier. After that, your turkey is ready to eat.
All right, folks, there you have it. Our Popeyes Cajun Turkey inspired recipe is done and it smells fire. We are super excited to give this a try. So let's go. Let's see how we did.
I can have any piece I want?
Yeah, you can have any piece you want. You can have the first piece.
I'm always so impressed with how you can make the meat be so tender and juicy. Yep. Even a turkey breast.
Just the right amount of salt, not too much salt. That's why you have to brine it and then wash the brine off before you put salt on there. I use the low end of the amount of cayenne pepper because my wife does not like it to be that spicy. But you can use the high end. I'll put that in the description down below. It has the right combination of a holiday flavor but not quite the traditional turkey. So it has a little bit of that sage that gives it that traditional holiday flavor, but it's not overpowering. It doesn't taste like a traditional turkey. It still can be enjoyed with the Thanksgiving dinner.
It has flavor and it really comes through, and it's also juicy.
And this was brined for 24 hours. You could brine it for up to 48 hours for a deeper flavor. We did it for 24 because we didn't want to overdo it. I think I might try 48 one time just to see how far I could push it. Maybe you can try it and let us know in the comments below how that works out. And that's all, folks. You will definitely want to give this recipe a try. And if you do, let us know in the comments below. Better yet, send us a photo on Facebook. We'd love to see how you did. And if you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe so that you can be notified when new videos drop. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
It is